Welcome back to the channel, guys. And we are on India, okay? And we are going to analyze Indian company below Sun Pharma. Yesterday we have analyzed Sun Pharma, and we will analyze today Tata Motors. Okay, now we'll see from this is Tata Motors Limited, and one day it is the price decreased by 1.05 percentage, 5 day minus 3.55 percentage, 7 month minus 7.51 percentage decrease, 6 month 30.30, year to date 19.83, 1 year 131.57, 5 year 649, all time high 2002.44. Next report date July 24. Reported period first quarter 2024 EPS estimate 21.05, revenue 1.11 trillion, key stock market cap 3.47 trillion, dividend yield 0.49 percentage, price to earning ratio 1.55, basic EPS 13.60, net income 313.99 billion, revenue 3.38, shares followed 454, beta 1.23, belongs to consumer durables, industry motor vehicles, headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Tata Motors is an automobile manufacturer with a portfolio that includes range of car, utility vehicles, trucks, buses, and defense vehicles. It operates through the automotive and other segment. The automotive segment include all the activity relating to the development, design, manufacture, assembly, and the sales of vehicles, including vehicle financing as well as sales related part accessory. It also consists of sub segments such as Tata commercial vehicles, Tata passenger vehicles, Jaguar Land Rover, and vehicle financing. The other segment include information technology and insurance broking services. The company was founded on September 1, 1945. Headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Revenue 2.60, net income 120.71, net margin 4.54, revenue 2.51, net income minus 134, net margin 5.36, revenue 2.78, net income 1 minus 114, net margin 4.12, revenue 3.52, net income 24, net margin 0.69, revenue 4.38, net income 313, 7.17 revenue, and we will see it on this in perspective, analyzing this on financial report. And free float share 454, closely held share 53, market cap 3.47, debt 1.10, minority interest 81, cash and equivalent 600, enterprise value 4.05 trillion, price to earning ratio 7.56, price to PS this one, and market cap 3.47 trillion INR, and this red circle 4.3 trillion INR revenue. Valuation ratio is given here, PES 0.04, PS 0.10, PS 0.27, PE and PS 31.75, PS 0.22, and this one P is 08.03. And growth and profitability we have already discussed. Revenue, operating expenses minus 898, operating income 500, 323, non-operating income minus 15, net income 313, tax and others 41. By source, it comes from automotive and retail activity. Jaguar Land Rover, automotive and related activity, Tata commercial vehicle, automotive and related activity, Tata passenger vehicles, automotive and related activity, vehicle financing, other unallocated. Main source of revenue comes from this India. And next one is this one is the United States, 15.83. This one is rest of the world, and this one is China, 13.69, 473.68 billion Indian rupees. Rest of the Europe, 427.23, and I think this one is United Kingdom. 19.58. I think Jaguar said is in United Kingdom. Actual revenue 2.50 trillion, estimate 2.50 trillion INR. Actual 2.7 trillion, estimate 2.71 trillion INR. And actual 3.46, estimate 3.38. Actual 4.38, estimate 4.35. Earning will be in minus. This one is also minus, but this is on positive. And dividend yield 0.33, last payment 2.10, and no dividend percent 2.10, dividend at 0.96 percentage. A debt level, debt 1.25 trillion, free cash flow 65, cash and equivalent 188. A debt of 1.42, free cash flow 95, cash and equivalent to 324, debt 146, free cash flow minus 33, cash and equivalent 386, debt 1.37, free cash flow 117, cash and equivalent 325, debt 1.10, free cash flow 140, cash and equivalent 428. S is 1.68, liabilities 1.14, S is 2.03, liabilities 1.04, and we will see its statement. Statement will be shown over here. And statement see total revenue 2.82 trillion, gross profit 319, operating income minus 12, pre-tax income 111.55, net income 89.89. This one is total revenue 3.09 trillion INR, gross profit 432, operating income 76, pre-tax income 330, net income minus 288. Total revenue 2.66, gross profit 300, operating income 27, pre-tax income 105, net income 120, total revenue 2.51, gross profit 332, operating income 72. This one is total revenue 2.78, gross profit 4.73, total revenue 3.52, gross profit 556, and total revenue 4.38, gross profit 1.12 trillion, cost of good minus 2.50, minus 2.66, minus 2.30, minus 2.17, minus 2.44, minus 2.96, 3.16, minus 3.16, and operating expenses minus 332, 355, 311, 260, minus 346, 408, 898, 898. Non-operating income expenses 123, 339, 132, 177, minus 57, 117, 50, 50 minus 50. Equity earning 22, 2.10, 1.10. Non-controlling minus minority interest 1.20, net income 89.89, minus 288.26, minus 120, minus 134, minus 114, 24.14, 313.99, 313.99 billion INR, EBITDA 203, 311, 241, 307, 235, 397, 596, 596, EBIT minus 12.06, 17.06, 27.03, 72.34, 12.78, 148.46, 323. Total operating expenses 2.84, 3.01, 2.63, 4.2.44, and a balance sheet. Looking over balance sheet 3.31 trillion, 3.07 trillion, 3.22 trillion, 3.43 trillion, 3.31 trillion, 3.36 trillion. Total liability 2.35, 2.43, 2.55, 2.83, 2.79. 2.78, total equity 959, 607, 638, 568, 488, 526, 930, total shareholder equity 3.31, 3.07, 3.22, 3.43, 3.31, 3.36, 3.79, total debt 889, 1.06, 1.25, 1.42, 1.46, 1.37, Net debt 336. Book value per share 278, 175, 174, 74, 143.34, 115, 117. Cash from operating activity 209, 128, 208, 213, 57, 270, 611. Cash from investing activity minus 287, 207, 359, 265, 54, minus 182, 216. Cash from financing activity 74, 158, 109, 130, 58, minus 314. Cash, free cash flow 10, minus 45, 65, 95, 33, 177, 410. And statistics report shown over here. Total common share outstanding 553, 508, 508, 508, 508, 508. Floor share 520, 520, 448, 410, 454. Number of employees. Festival 82, 108, 50, 114, 117. Number of shareholder 4.44, 4.44, 4.44 million. Price to earning ratio 6.67, 31.75, 8.03, 7.56. Price to sales ratio 0.21, 0.09, 0.04, 0.18, 0.27. Price to cash flow ratio 2.86, 2.17, 0.419, 2.10, 13.26, 2.83. Price to book ratio 0.66, 0.49, 0.18, 0.89. Enterprise value 907, 922, 24, 905, 1.22, 1.60, 1.65, 4.05. Enterprise value 4.77, 2.96, 3.75, 3.95, 6.91, 4.14, 6.79. Return on assets 2.97, minus 9.03, minus 2.84, minus 4.04, minus 3.40, minus 0.72, 8.89, 8.89. Return on equity 11.71, minus 37.05, 19.59, 12.74, minus 22.93, 5.37, 48.22, 48.22. Return on invested capital 6.53, minus 20.03, minus 4.8.54, minus 8.81, minus 7.58, 1.65, 2.84, 2.84. Gross margin 11.33, 13.99, 13.50, 13.27, 12, 15.27, 29. Operating margin 0.43, 2.46, 1.02, 2.88, 0.46, 4.22, 7.38, 8.20. EBIDTA margin 7.20, 10.10, 9.07, 12.27, 8.48, 11.29, 13.61, 14.16. Net margin 3.18, 9 point minus 9.33, 4.54, 5.36, 4.12, 0.69, 7.17, 14.51. Quick ratio 0.64, 0.57, 0.58, 0.69, 0.73. Assist turnover 0.93, 0.57, 0.84, 0.75. Debt to assist ratio 0.27, 0.35, 0.39, 0.47, 0.44, 0.41, 0.30, 0.93, 1.76, 1.98, 2.57, 3.29, 3.01, 1.29, 1.29. Long-term debt 0.18, 0.23, 0.27, 0.29, 0. Long-term debt 0.64, 1.18, 1.40, 1.78, 2.33, 2.18, 0.85, 0.85. Dividend history is shown over here. Dividend per share 2.10 and 0.96. Payout ratio 31.94. Earning will be shown over here with annual and reported earning. Reported 2.00, estimate 2.94, reported 26, estimate 25, reported 2.90, estimate 1.44, reported minus 34, estimate 7.59, reported minus 38, estimate 9.33, reported minus 28, estimate 18, reported 6.39, estimate 1.02, reported 81.98, estimate 53.81. And annual revenue reported 2.70, 2.96, 3.02, 2.61, 2.50, 2.78, 3.46, 4.38, 2.79, 2.91, 3.07, 2.70. 2.50, 2.71, 3.38, 4.35, 4.71, 2.16, 5.55. And revenue will be shown over here. Automotive related industry 1.88, 2.23. Automotive related activity Tata commercial vehicle 524 for 693. Tata passenger vehicle 309 458. Vehicle financing 43.74, 44.39. Unallocated 2.24, 1.87. Others is 18.11, 19.75, 22.83, 17.76, 16.14, 26.74, 33.26. Automotive related activity 2.73 trillion, 2.93, 3 trillion, 2.59, 2.48. India 471, 595, 680, 470, 503, 807, 1.14. United States 429, 449, 524, 520, 469, 455, 547. Rest of the world of 453, 496, 520, 464, 364, 435, 528, and 38. China 413, 433, 304, 298, 446, 427, 473. Rest of the world 141, 463, 498, 432, 340, 326, 427. United Kingdom 505, 513, 491, 424, 372, 332, 331. And we will see its forecast. Forecast up to 1 year will be its max forecast. Max forecast up to max will be 18.13 percentage, 18.13, and average will be also 18.13. And we will see on the basis of technical chart with 1 month time frame. 1 month time frame 75.64, 88.52, commodity 119, 50.79, awesome oscillator 310, momentum 209, MACD level 117, stochastic RSI 86, Williams spots and range minus 17.63, bull bear power 300, ultimate oscillator 64, exponential moving average 549, simple moving average 542. Mm, 500. 42, 448, 400, 385, 340, 314, 248, 244, 218, 446, 383, 703. Second support second 84. First support 301, pivot 419, resistance first 637, resistance second 554, 754, resistance third 81090. Fibonacci 84, 212, 291, 419, 547, 626, 754, Carmelia 427, 500, 457, 488, 419, 550, 580, 611, Woody 18, 110, 354, 445, 681, 99, 800, 781, 10 to 4, 360, 448, 695. And we will see on super chat. Analyzing its superchat by closing its volume. And we will see 6 month volume time frame, and drawing the trend line will be drawn from here, this line, and this will be the base support line, and this upper line will be considered as the resistance line, where you have to sell the stock carefully. Consider this also. Okay, this much for today. Have a great day and keep learning. The more way And the more you can learn, the more you can earn. There is a saying, and apply that saying on a day-to-day life basis. Okay, have a great